The household spice that can destroy cancer cells, help rebuild the gut, and prevent heart attacks. Cayenne pepper belongs to the capsicum family and its botanical name is Capsicum annuum. It is the red or green chili pepper that is used to add spicy flavor to foods throughout the world. Cayenne contains vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin K, carotenoids, and the complete B complex. It is also a source of calcium, potassium, manganese, and dietary fiber. Cayenne pepper is an integral part of many recipes in India. This herb, which came to India in the 16th century, has become so popular that many people in the villages eat bakri, bread made of cereals, with the paste of cayenne pepper. Though this is not good for long-term health, it is a staple food for many people in rural India. Cayenne pepper nutrition facts. Cayenne is a shrub that originated in Central and South America and now grows in subtropical and tropical climates. Its hollow fruit grows into long pods that turn red, orange, or yellow when they ripen. Cayenne chili peppers, or Capsicum frutescens, belong to the genus Capsicum and come from a similar cultivar of Capsicum annuum. Capsicum is an herb, and the fruit of the capsicum plant is used to make medicine. The pepper also contains vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin E, potassium, manganese, and flavonoids which provides its powerful antioxidant properties. On the Scoville rating scale, cayenne pepper is rated typically anywhere from 30,000 to 190,000 Scoville heat units, SHU. Pure capsaicin has the highest SHU rating. Here are the cayenne pepper nutrition facts, listed in recommended daily values. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper contains 17 calories, 1 gram of fat, 2 milligrams sodium, 3 grams carbohydrate, 1 gram dietary fiber, 1 gram sugar, 1 gram protein, 44% vitamin A, 8% vitamin E, 7% vitamin C, 6% vitamin B6, 5% vitamin K, 5% manganese, 3% potassium. No cholesterol. Cayenne pepper fights cancer cells. A reader shared with me that his white blood count was higher after using cayenne pepper for some time. This is great news. White blood cells are essential to normal and healthy immune function. They are also known as leukocytes. When you ingest cayenne pepper, it activates the white blood cells to protect your body from attack. There are several different types of white blood cells, but they collectively help your body to defend itself against bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, allergens, and cancer cells. When they are needed, the white blood cells are also employed to remove dead or damaged tissue and regulate the immune response to keep you healthy. 10 benefits of cayenne pepper. 1. Prevent foodborne illness. The use of spices in countries with hot climates dates back hundreds, if not thousands, of years. Before refrigeration was invented, people used spices to kill bacteria and pathogens in their food. Capsicums and hot peppers, including cayenne, kill up to 75% of the bacteria they come up against, helping to prevent foodborne illness and death for generations. 2. Digestive aid. Capsaicin, the compound in cayenne pepper that makes it hot, has been found to act as a digestive aid. It does this by increasing saliva production, improving gastric motility, and may also stimulate digestive enzyme production. 3. As an anti-cancer agent. Studies show that capsaicin exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, making it a promising candidate for treating inflammatory diseases and cancer. It inhibits the enzyme activity of specific proteins that may cause these illnesses. 4. Reduces muscle and joint pain. Applying cayenne pepper topically can reduce muscle and joint pains significantly. Cayenne has a counter-irritant effect when rubbed on affected area by causing a mild irritation to the tissue where it is applied, thus distracting from the original more severe joint pain. The active ingredient in cayenne capsaicin relieves pain by acting on the sensory nerves by hindering the transmission of a neurotransmitter responsible for pain signals in your brain. Try this cayenne pepper pain relief cream. 5. Other pain relief. Cayenne pepper and capsaicin have shown to help with a variety of pain, including arthritis, fibromyalgia, pain from skin conditions such as shingles and psoriasis, nerve damage, and pain related to diabetes, lower back pain, as well as headaches and chronic migraines. To relieve migraine and other pains, add 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water. Stir and drink it to get an almost instant relief from pain. As soon as cayenne pepper hits your stomach, it will signal your brain to release endorphins that are your body's natural painkillers. 6. Heal stomach ulcers. New research shows that capsaicin inhibits stomach acid secretion and stimulates mucus secretions and blood flow to the stomach. It activates neurons in your stomach that signal for protection against injury-causing agents, and therefore prevent and help to heal gastric ulcers. Although hot spices have a bad reputation in association with ulcer, the truth is capsaicin has the ability to destroy invasive bacteria in the digestive system and reduce inflammation in the body. It also has the ability to fight the H. pylori bacteria that cause stomach ulcers. 7. Weight loss. Some studies suggest that cayenne pepper and capsaicin may help to decrease appetite and help you feel fuller, longer. One theory states that capsaicin in cayenne pepper increases the internal heat of the body. In order to increase heat, energy is needed, and thus cayenne pepper contributes to increased metabolism. 8. Improves blood circulation. Cayenne has been used to improve blood circulation in traditional Asian medicine as well as in the Indian medicine of Ayurveda. Improved blood circulation means reducing the formation of blood clots that cause heart attack or stroke. To improve blood circulation, some herbalists suggest taking a 1/4 teaspoon 3 times a day in water, or placing a poultice made with cayenne to boost circulation in a troublesome area. Eating spicy foods, which contain capsaicin from hot peppers, increases blood flow throughout the body, and this is why many people become flushed when they eat certain spicy foods. 9. Kills sinus infection instantly. Capsaicin can affect the tissue lining mucous membranes in the sinus cavity. It thins mucus in the nasal passageways and sinuses, making breathing easier when you have a nasal congestion caused by an infection or a common cold. Go here to learn how to make the potent recipe to kill a sinus infection instantly. 10. Stops a heart attack. In a home where there is anyone with a heart problem, or high blood pressure, keep a bottle of cayenne pepper handy, and that could save a life. Get acquainted with the warning signs of an impending heart attack: chest pain, throat or jaw pain, shortness of breath, heartburn, lightheadedness, cold sweat, and unusual tiredness. Cayenne pepper helps to facilitate better blood circulation, improving blood flow to the brain, strengthening heartbeat and preventing adhesion of platelets that can cause blood clots. Blood clots are deadly in individuals with high blood pressure as it can lead to stroke or aneurysm. You can administer cayenne pepper to an individual who is still conscious during a heart attack by giving them a drink of warm water mixed with 1/2 teaspoonful of cayenne pepper. If the heart attack patient is unconscious, and while waiting for help, put a few drops of cayenne pepper tincture or extract under their tongue. Hot pepper powder or any other chili powder may not work as well. 3 indicators of quality cayenne. 1. Color. Cayenne pepper can have a range of color, from yellow to a reddish brown. For the health benefits of cayenne, you want to buy pepper that is a bright orange or red color. The more orange, the more beta-carotene and vitamin A is present. 2. Heat units. In order to get the benefits of cayenne pepper, it must be at least 30-50 K-Shu. The Shu score is directly related to the amount of capsaicin, which is the compound that provides the disease and inflammation fighting benefits. 3. Organic. It is important to use organic cayenne pepper to ensure that your product is chemical-free and has not been irradiated. Cayenne pepper tea. What you need: water, ginger, lemon, honey, and cayenne pepper, as required. Combine ginger, cayenne pepper, and water in a small saucepan. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat, reduce to a simmer and cook, until mixture is a dark color and smells strongly of ginger, about 2 to 3 minutes total. Strain mixture into a mug. Stir in honey and lemon juice to taste and enjoy. Drink while warm for best effects, but sip slowly. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center website, Topical applications contain 0.025%–0.075% capsaicin and may be applied directly to the affected area up to 4 times a day. Pain may get slightly worse at first, but then may get better over the next few days. Capsaicin should be applied regularly several times a day, and it usually takes 3 to 7 days before you notice substantial pain relief. Precautions when using cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper can interact with certain medications, such as aspirin and blood thinners. Therefore, if you are currently taking medications, talk to your doctor before you include large amounts of cayenne pepper in your diet or take cayenne supplements. Eating too much cayenne pepper can result in stomach irritation as well as stomach pain. Don't apply capsaicin cream to cracked skin or open wounds. Eating cayenne in food is considered safe during pregnancy, but pregnant women as well as breastfeeding women should not take cayenne as a supplement. Good quality organic cayenne pepper is a fun spice to add to your cooking repertoire. It adds flavor and packs as many health benefits as it does heat. Try adding a little cayenne into your next meal or snack. You'll be surprised at the extra dimension it will add to your food. Last but not least, make sure that you share this very useful information with your friends and family. You may help someone in need. Thank you and have a nice day.